guys, so we're gonna have lunch right about now, wherever this is. Gotta find the peoples. Where the people's at. Oh my god, the line is long.
So you got express?
Not for food. Oh, right here. Look at my peoples. If it comes with it, yeah. What? Yeah, yeah. So there's frescos. I was expecting rice. There's no rice. Ribs in the clam or whatever that is. Yep. Turkey leg, man. Okay, so we're here finishing up lunch and getting ready to walk around the rest of the day at the park. And yeah, like you saw, Joel ate that turkey leg because he loves it. You're like a rabbit. What are you eating?
She didn't want it because Madeline bit it.
Are you serious? Oh, you guys didn't know? What's that word mean? I felt kind of bad not telling them, but it sure was funny though. Alright, go, 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 go. Go, go, Lale, go. No, go, go. No, go, go, go. No, go, go, hurry up. There it comes, there it comes. You got soaked. Yeah, you got soaked. So, what are we on a quest?
Oh my god, Mom, give me my wand.
Uh-oh. Gotta get that magic stick. I got that magic stick. And one thing you cannot miss, and you have to love about this park, is the way they pay attention to detail, from the landscaping to the building architecture. Like right now, we're entering Harry Potter's Wizard Village, and it looks like we're entering a cold scene in the movie.
I'm gonna write it. This fish down here. Mommy, I wanna write it.
Oh, that's pretty.
If you drop that one,
Whoa, yeah.
Look how many fish are there. See him sitting? A big old swarm.
No, man.
That's a swarm of fish. You see him? Look at him moving.
Oh, yeah, my gosh.
We'd now like to perform a composition for you all with a bit of lyrical flair, if you will. Oh, this is cool.
This one's at 30 minutes. Valerie, if you don't come, you're gonna be in trouble.
Okay, and right now we're entering Harry Potter's castle or ride, whatever you want to call it. But I never ridden this before, and I think it just maybe opened up maybe a few years ago. And I've never rode it, but I hear a lot of good things. So let's go check it out. And too bad, another ride that you can't take your camera. They don't let you record, but it's a must do. I mean, you'll love it. The ride is about 5 minutes long. That's pretty cool, and it's pretty intense, and it's 3D.
Yeah, where's... So we're doing Harry Potter #2. I guess it's, what is it? Like a whole roller coaster?
That's just all momentum.
Yeah.
Always wait for the benefit and make the first move. It's polite. You walk towards it.
Well, that ride was more like a kiddie ride. It wasn't that intense. It was pretty short. I think it was maybe like 2 minutes long, or a roller coaster. But and the kids liked it. So we're gonna go ahead and keep walking around the village here and see what else we can find.
No, I think we're going. Oh yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta do it. It's really good. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. You guys have fun?
And like you can see here, we're feeling like we're in a village somewhere. I don't know, I don't even know where, Iceland or something. But yeah, we stopped here because the kids wanted to get some beer, some butterbeer. Okay, if you guys haven't tried butterbeer, I think it's like an acquired taste, because it took me like maybe 3 times tasting it and to begin to like it. To me, it tastes like Sprite with caramel, sort of. But definitely, well, Fresco, love it.
Harry Potter's castle was really cool. Alright, what's over here?
King Kong's crazy.
That is cool. Let me see this. Oh, them skulls up in here.
No, King Kong, I mean, Jurassic Park.
Do you guys want to do that?
Okay, so here we have it, another ride that they won't let you bring the camera in. And I understand it why, because you know, if you kind of bring it out and make a video of it, it loses its suspense and mystery of the ride. But yes, it's a very good ride. If you're down here, ride it because it's good. Okay, and it's about 5 o'clock right now, and we're supposed to meet back at the hotel around 5:30, because from there the group is going to take the bus and I'm going to go ahead and drive behind them. But it was a great day here, like you guys saw. And if you guys are near Orlando and you like the video, you'll love it if you come visit the park and do the rides. And remember, come prepared, because some rides here you're gonna get wet. So my advice is to go ahead and do those rides first, so as the day gets hotter and you're walking around, you're gonna dry out. And talking about being wet, I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite ride, a wet ride, is gonna be Popeye. And then from there you could take Jurassic Park and the other one is I think is the Doodle, the ride. But yeah, those rides are gonna get you wet. And my favorite ride, has to be Harry Potter. It's a very good ride for adults and kids. It's great. And then from there, I guess I would go with I guess King Kong, and definitely you can't forget Spider-Man.
Yeah, now we're boarding the boat, going back to the motel, Holiday Inn, and then going home for the long ride, 3 hours. You guys already know me, I hate driving, and I have to drive. Oh, thank you. Have a good day. The fish still there? The fishes are still there. The fishes is. Yeah, they're nesting, I guess. There's a lot of them. All right, so we're back at the motel, Holiday Inn, and now it's time to rest for like 5 minutes and start driving down to Miami. Yeah, sure. You can't get in. Oh, my bad.
We will have to.
Can we stay another day here?
Please. Esto tiene raspberry adentro.
I want to have a bite.
You bite of that. You want bites?
Let me have a bite of anything.
Snip of that. Yo,
Please.
Hey.
Mira esta con blueberries. Hold up.
I think I got myself my sleeve in the joint.
Yeah, guys.
We out of here. Goodbye to a weekend in Orlando. And that's the hotel.
So here we go for the 3.5 hour drive back home to Miami on the Turnpike. Well, thank you guys for coming along with us to the 3-day weekend here at Orlando at Universal Studios and cheering along for Gabby's team. Gabby won. So don't forget to check out the previous videos, and thank you guys for coming along with us, and see you next time.